Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let me show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template design. So first of all, you're going to go to a text box and insert a text box, and you're going to add about 15 is equal to signs in this text box. And you're going to make this alignment into, and you're going to go to shape format and right here and give it this one shape effect. And let's increase its size. And the next thing you're going to do is make it rounder by using this small circle which is yellow in color. Go to home tab and you're going to align it into the center. Go to format shape and text options and go to picture texture fill and insert your picture. Cross the format shape panel. So the next thing I'm going to do is insert a title text box in which I'm going to write the header of my template, and let's increase its size. Go to shape format and give it some kind of text effect. I'm gonna use this one, but if you don't want to use this one because this looks ugly a little bit, so I'm just going to remove it. You can also use it something like this and put it into the middle of the shapes that you have previously inserted. But this doesn't look really nice to me, so let me just change this color. For now, I'm gonna go for my background, and from here, I'm going to give it some background color, and you can use your own color if you want, but these colors do look ugly, so I'll just better use white color. And for the text shape effects, I'm just going to use simple text, and I'm going to change its color, and I'm gonna bold it, change this font to a darker font, and align it into the center. Let's increase its size, and that was the final result. And if you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel.